guys, welcome to Lydia and Ethan channel. I'm Lydia.
And I'm Ethan.
So today I'm going to take you on my journey of becoming extremely fascinated with the world of journaling. My plan with this journal is to make it the most aesthetically pleasing, just stunning piece of art and creative outlet while also making it obtainable and easy to incorporate into my daily life so that I do it for the long haul and I don't quit 3 weeks into it.
So the question is, what is this thing going to look like when you're done? Guess we're going to have to find out.
We're going to find out.
So with that, I'll see you guys at the end of this video. Bye.
Now let's get into it.
I've been working on myself. I really try my best to change, but sometimes even love will fade. Right? Maybe we should stay in bed, pretend that everything's the same. Just a little play pretend. Right? But baby, we're changing. We can't really help it. We might just enjoy it now. We said forever, whatever means nothing. If we don't give it all we got, we can cry when it's over. We can cry when it's over. We can cry when it's over. We can cry when it's over.
So like I do with most hobbies, I very quickly got onto YouTube and I started watching every video that I could find on journaling and specifically bullet journaling because I am extremely fascinated with the creativity involved in what seems like scrapbooking and what seems like diary entries married into bullet journaling. I want to get to the end of 2023 and look through this journal and see all of the books that I've read, see the races that I've ran, see the special times that I've had with friends, see the lessons learned throughout it, see what books of the Bible I've read. And I want to just go through it and be able to say, wow, 2023 was amazing. Do you want to be in the video? Say hi. You want to paint? Did you see me bring craft stuff out and now you want to be creative too?
Yeah.
It's been a month since I've last vlogged this journaling experience. So since then we have gone on a vacation. You can check out that vlog and our other videos. It's really cool. And we've had a lot happening. So today I'm going to be working on the reading page of my journal. So I'm going to be tracking all of my reading visually by printing out the front covers of the books that I've read and basically gluing them into the part of the journal. So this is a trend that's like everyone's doing it, I feel like right now. There was a lady off of TikTok that started doing it, and ever since then, it's just the way people like to do it. So I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna print things off. Ethan's working hard so I can journal, right?
To journaling.
To journaling. Okay, I feel like if I was a little bit more prepared, I would have printed this off on cardstock, not just standard cheap printing paper, but I'm grabbing my kid from touching the tripod. Ah, don't touch. So we're gonna cut these out and get them put inside of the what I've read in 2023. So I'm already thinking these might be too big.
But baby, we're changing. We can't really help it. We might just enjoy it now. We said
Do I just reprint? I mean, maybe that's a thing. So these are just huge. This is gonna take up, like, this is gonna take up half of it. And I'm gonna read so much more this year. I mean, I could use these. I could use these to make a Christmas ornament bulb and reprint new ones.
really had a good run though. But maybe you were truly loved. We will travel different roads from now.
Are you gonna help me today?
Yeah. I got some.
Hit the subscribe button. Some other way that was really creative and fun for me to just kind of add to this book was by putting in my own sketches. So I had been in this phase of trying to learn how to draw realistic pillows, and March I decided it was gonna be all about rest. So I actually just cut out all of the pillow sketches that I did and I used them to decorate the page, and it turned out so cute. I was really happy with it, and I'm definitely going to do more sketches in future journal entries. Okay, I'm waiting for Ethan to come up so that I can show him my journal. But in the meantime, I just want to show you how freaking good my lunch is. So I take a cucumber and I peel off the peel because that's disgusting. Take out the seeds in the middle and make a little tuna boat with hickory smoked flavor tuna. And then I put everything bagel seasoning on it. I'm gonna have my seaweed and I like wrap it up and basically make a riceless like this. It's not pretty, I know. It's like a riceless sushi. It's awesome. So if you need some good healthy lunch inspo, this is it. All right, Ethan's back. I'm gonna show him my adorable journal for the year. This is January through March that I'm gonna show him. I don't know if he's gonna think this was the biggest waste of my time or if he's gonna be like,
yeah, you're gonna love looking back at that.
So first off, look how cute the front of it is.
It's so cute.
It's so cute.
Oh my
It's a
gosh.
little ink drawing.
I can't even right
Oh
now.
my gosh.
So is this like 3 months?
This is 3 months.
But
and
is it like you did it for 3 months and now you're done with this book, or do you?
No,
keep
I'm going to
going?
keep going. This is 2023. So the point of this journal is not a daily journal. It's like a monthly recap. So I'm monthly recapping like highlights and low points of each month because I want to look back and see how things were. And then I'm also tracking in here miles ran and books I've read.
Okay, show me.
So here we go. Okay, just a little front page, 2023. Then I've got this guy. This folds out.
It's like a little pop-out book.
It's a pop-out book.
Oh, that's actually really cool.
And I know.
Yeah,
That's
doing the little pictures. That's,
yeah, that's something that this girl off of TikTok, I need to figure out who she is. I'll put it on here. She came up with it and a lot of people are doing it now. This book I specifically only read 10,000 Doors of January because it was the month of January.
Oh, nice.
And I saw it and it actually ended up being a pretty okay book. Like a 3-star. Then my miles ran, I mean, things went really downhill in March because I got sick.
March is sad.
And twice. It's March 14th right now, but I'm sick
What are
still.
the hearts?
Those are my races.
Oh.
And I have a race next month.
Yeah, when you lay it out like that.
Yeah, then you start to realize how bad of an idea this marathon is. So this is my January overview. So I put like a fun moment from the month, which was our girls' Galentine's Day night. I basically just write about how I have destroyed my life for marathon running this year with sickness. So that's basically it. Okay, then I go on to February and I recap our trip and our other trip, which not our trip, but the girls' trip that we went to Asbury. And so I put that stuff in there.
Cute.
I think it's pretty cute. I made this one, which I don't have a whole lot to say about March yet. It's only halfway through. So I've got all this space for the rest of the year, but I think it's pretty cool. And I think I'll look back and be like, oh, I'm glad I did that.
I would say that the thing I like the most about that is I feel like daily journaling is daunting to me, to feel like sitting down and journaling every day, how people do that. This feels a lot more doable to be like, this is the month. Like I'm going to highlight the month, not like every single day where that just feels exhausting.
Yeah, and that was my goal.
I
I like it.
would like a men's journal that pre-layouts all of that for me.
So we're making life brighter one view at a time, and we hope that this video encouraged you to go out and be creative in your own way. And until next time, we're gonna see you guys later.
And remember, you make life brighter. Bye.